We are all very excited to be here today. This really is a new first step for mankind. Our craft was heading for a moon of Jupiter, known as Europa.
By definition, any freaks who are running loose are illegal.
Hey, someone could have seen you.
Sorry, Dad.
Gone.
I don't want to hide anymore.
Not every sci-fi movie that hits your screen is worth 2 hours of your life, but these ones absolutely are. From mind-twisting space mysteries to low-budget gems with big ideas, these are the films people stumble onto and instantly wonder.
We have been in space for nearly 2 years.
In 7 years, but the process falters. Now, if a quirk in his immune system...
Every woman on the faculty would give anything to have that secret.
How did I miss this? They are bold, imaginative, and way smarter than most blockbuster sci-fi. The kind of stories that stick with you days after. So if you are craving something fresh, underrated, and little off the beaten path, you are in the right place. There are 10 insanely good sci-fi movies you probably have not watched, but definitely should.
Everything outside of this circle is in complete darkness as of now.
160 million of them. People? Not really.
Contact with command is lost, and we're everybody's last hope.
Do you think they're going to take Moscow?
The war has begun.
Number 10. Slingshot.
Blasted into deep space.
Not here on the ship.
I know that.
If sometime...
Including confusion.
And you're about to blast us even further into space.
Warning, system overload.
Slingshot is the kind of slow burn sci-fi thriller that sneaks up on you. Set aboard a deep space mission to the Titan, it follows a small crew who rotate through long stretches of hibernation, walking every few months to check system, talk to Earth, and pretending everything is fine. Except it is not. What starts as routine maintenance turns into a catastrophic unraveling as paranoia, hallucination, and frank trust turn the Odyssey one into a pressure cooker. Casey Affleck anchors the film with a quiet, unraving intensity, while Lawrence Fishburne brings the grounded authority you expect from him. Slingshot is not about big action or flashy effects. It is about the terrifying idea that isolation can warp reality and that sometimes the biggest threat on a mission is not space. It's your own mind. Number 9. Dark Star.
Hello, Bob?
Dark Star, a micro-budget sci-fi comedy that feels like a space odyssey filtered through a college dorm at 3 a.m. The film follows a bored, half-broken crew drifting through deep space on a decade-long mission to blow up an unstable planet. Their ship barely works, their sanity is slipping, and their biggest threat might be mischievous aliens that look surprisingly like a beach ball. What makes Dark Star a hidden gem is not polish, it is sharp. You can feel the handmade creativity in every cheap effect, every dead pan joke, every oddball movement. It is strange, creepy, and surprisingly influential. If you love cult sci-fi with personality, this one is essential. Number 8. The Blackout.
They will all want the same thing.
And all contact was lost with most of the world. Everything outside of this circle is in complete darkness as of now.
The Blackout is one of those sci-fi thrillers that feels like it dropped in from an alternative universe. Bigger, stranger, and far more ambitious than you expect. The setup is brutal. Almost the entire planet goes silent overnight, leaving only a small region around Moscow untouched. No signals, no survivors, no explanation. What follows is a mix of military sci-fi, alien invasion mystery, and apocalyptic chaos as soldiers, civilians, and psychic survivors try to understand what wiped out the rest of humanity. The film leans heavy on atmosphere, box of street eerie silence, and sudden burst of violence that make the world feel truly hostile. It's messy, wild, and unapologetically huge in scale. If you like sci-fi that swings for the fences, The Blackout is an underrated ride. Number 7. Prospect.
Now, this is something I have never seen. We're in the same trough, you and I.
You don't have a ship?
No, I don't. But you will find a way to get home. If you find that buried treasure.
Why should I trust you? You're
Prospect is what happens when Indian film meets old school tactile sci-fi, a small story set in a dirty, dangerous world that feels completely lived in. The film follows T and her father as they land on a toxic forest moon to mine rare gems, only to find themselves caught between rival prospector, mercenaries, and the brutal reality of surviving off-world. These are no flashy effects or giant space battles here. Instead, Prospect thrives an atmospheric fog-choked forest, sketched up helmet, malfunctioning gear, and a planet that is hostile with every breath. If you love grounded, character-driven sci-fi that feels handcrafted, this one is must watch. Number 6. Archive.
Connect a computer to the archive for. I waited a long time, and then I saw something.
From the archive company.
The subject is Almo Julie Alice. Term time so far 2 years. Lies to act with force, if necessary.
You made another like me.
I'm not replacing you.
But you did it.
It is an underrated sci-fi film that sneaks up on you. A slow-burning emotional story wrapped inside a sleek futuristic set in 2038. It follows Gort, a lonely engineer living in an isolated research facility, secretly building advanced robots as part of desperate attempt to bring his wife back from the dead. The tech feels tactile. The show-covered setting feels isolating. It is melancholic, immersive, and beautifully crafted, blending themes of grief, memory, and the limits of artificial intelligence. If you like thoughtful sci-fi with emotional weight, this one delivers. Number 5. Europa Report.
Our craft was heading for a moon of Jupiter, known as Europa.
For orbital transfer, we are clear of Jupiter's orbit.
Pitching for power descent. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on. Here we go.
Let's go for a swim. You hear that?
Are you guys seeing this?
Europa Report is one of the rare sci-fi films that commit fully to realism. That's exactly what makes it so gripping. Presented as a found footage mission log, it follows the crew of Europa 1 on a privately funded expedition to Jupiter's icy moon. When a solar storm cuts off communication with Earth, the astronaut pushed forward anyway, documenting every discovery, malfunction, and sacrifice with cold clinical precision. The film tension does not come from jump scares, but from the terrifying plausibility of deep space exploration, limited resources, isolation, and the unknown waiting beneath Europa's frozen ocean. If you love hard science fiction grounded in real astrophysics, this one hits the sweet spot. Number 4. Freak.
You gotta be strong like your mom. What did you see there? Hiding is out. We are never getting out of here alive.
Freaks is one of those low-budget sci-fi thrillers that hit way harder than you expect. The movie starts small, just a young girl living in a boarded-up house with her paranoid father. But every scene widens the world, peeling back layers of mystery until you realize you are watching something far bigger than a family drama. What begins as a tense, catastrophic character piece slowly transformation into a pull-down superpowered conspiracy with government agents, hidden abilities, and a society terrified of people like Khole. Freak blends sci-fi, suspense, and family tragedy into a tight, unpredictable ride you will be thinking about long after it ends. Number 3. The Waste of Night.
Everett, it's Faye. The sound came through the board and interrupted your radio show.
What sound? Sound we'd like to play that seems to be bouncing around the valley tonight.
Yes, I have a story that might be helpful. Coming from thousands of feet higher than anything could fly.
They've come here before.
The Waste of Night is one of the most unique sci-fi mysteries of the past decade. A slow, hypnotic A slow, hypnotic story that builds tension through sound, atmosphere, and old-school radio drama energy. Set in 1950s New Mexico, it follows a switchboard operator and a teenage radio doctor Jay, who pick up a strange audio signal during a quiet small town night. What starts as a simple curiosity turns into a gripping, almost eerie investigation as sellers come forward with stories the government never wanted them to share. The film leans heavily on long stakes, whispers of suspense, and unpredictable performances from its young leads. It feels like a lost Twilight Zone episode told with a modern filmmaking confidence. If you love UFO mysteries that focus on tension instead of spectacle, this one is essential. Number 2. Dark City. Dark City is one of the most inventive and atmospheric sci-fi films of the 90s. A noir nightmare wrapped in cosmic mystery. The story follows John Murdoch, a man who wakes in a bathtub with no memories, a dead body nearby, and a group of trench-coated figures hunting him through a city where it is always night. As he tries to piece together who he is, Murdoch discovers the truth. The city is not real. The people are not who they think they are. And reality itself is being rewritten at midnight by a race known as the Stranger. It is moody, hypnotic blend of noir, horror, and philosophical sci-fi filled with twisting alleyways, shifting buildings, and a sense of dread that never lets go. Over time, it became a cult classic and for good reason. If you like cerebral reality blending sci-fi, this is essential viewing. Number 1. The Man from Earth.
Creature, not quite human, taking not the blood, but the life force. It's clear.
You got 4 men of science completely baffled, my friend. Who do you think I am?
Been tall in a graveyard that you helped to fill? Well, then perhaps it is time to die.
The Man from Earth is one of the most fascinating sci-fi films ever made. Not because of special effects or action, but because of one impossible question. What if a man lived for 14,000 years and never aged? This entire movie takes place in a single room where a professor named John Oldman reveals to his closest colleague that he has been alive since the catastrophic era, since the Paleolithic era. What follows these is 90 minutes of pure, gripping dialogue, debates about history, religion, memory, and what it would truly mean to outlive every person you are. Would truly mean to outlive every person you have ever cared about. It is intimate, philosophical, and quietly mind-blowing. No explosions, no aliens, just a story so well written that you can't look away. If you want a sci-fi film that gets under your skin and stays in your head for days, this is the one.